Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a girl Mercy. I thank you for always watching this video. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, like the video and share, because I know someone will learn a whole lot from this video. In this channel, I talk about law practice, I talk about tips for excellent practice, I talk about the life of a lawyer, I talk about career path, I talk about all that makes one to be an excellent lawyer. So today I'm going to talk about lease. A lot of people have used the word lease, have been heard about the word lease, but they don't really know what it entails. So what is a lease? A lease is an interest that is created when a property owner gives to another person exclusive possessory rights over a fixed period of time. Now, the word lease and tenancy are used interchangeably, in the sense that some people don't even know the difference between a lease and a tenancy. A tenancy is used when the duration is for a short term, while a lease is used when it's above 3 years. Now, there are different types of lease. We have the fixed lease, we have the periodic lease, we have the lease of reversion, we have the lease in reversion. We also have a lease that is created by operation of the law. Now, there are some terms that are common when lease is being used. You can hear the word lessor. Lessor is the person that is granting the lease. You can hear the word lessee. Lessee is the person who wants to lease the property. You can hear the word grant of or term of years. Term of years, it means the period of time within which the lease will run. You can also hear the word demise premises. It means the property that is being leased. We can also hear the word reversionary interest. Reversionary interest is the interest the leaser, that means the grantor, the person giving the lease, has after he has granted the lease to another person. Now, there are certain essentials of a valid lease. First of all, for a lease to be valid, there must be certainty of term. That means the duration the lease is going to last. There must be certainty of property. The property you're leasing must be certain. Then the parties must be juristic persons. Now, the lease must be in due form. Another thing is that there must be exclusive possession. That's the difference between a tenancy and a lease. There must be exclusive possession, the fixed period of time. Okay, let's now talk about how do I determine a lease. Now, a lease can be determined by operation of law. A lease can be determined by surrender, where the lessor, okay, I'm no longer interested in the lease, I surrender the lease back to the way the lessee surrenders the lease back to the lessor. That is by surrender. It could be voluntary, it could be operation of law. A lease can also be determined by a fixation of time, by a notice to quit, by frustration, by a merger, by a disclaimer, and by a forfeiture. Now, a lease can also be determined by merger. These are circumstances whereby a lease can be determined. Now, we'll be able to learn what a lease is. We'll be able to know the type of lease we have. We'll be able to know the value, the essentials of a lease, what must be contained in a lease. I must also state how to create a lease. Creation of lease. You can create a lease by deed. Where we now have deed of lease. You can create a lease orally. Yeah, you can also create a lease in writing. It might not be a deed, but it is in writing. Another way you can create a lease is that a lease can be created by doctrine of past performance, and a lease can also be created by operation of law. So, when you are going into a transaction with respect to a lease, you must ensure that the property is certain, the term is certain, there's exclusive possession. That's the key element in a lease, exclusive possession. You must also be sure that the term that is being granted to you is shorter than that held by the grantor or the lessor. That's what we call the reversionary interest. There must be a reversionary interest. For you that is giving out a property under lease, you must still retain that reversionary interest so that it doesn't pass to the lessee. Without the reversionary interest, it's as if you've given up the property. So guys, I appreciate you for always being there to watch my videos. Whenever you're entering into a lease agreement with someone, please watch this video. If you don't know anything about lease, this video will teach you all about a lease, what a lease means, the valid ingredients of a lease, how to determine a lease, and all that pertains to a lease. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for always watching. Share this video, click the like button, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.